Figure 8.3 MemberAccessTest.java. In this example, we reuse the Time 1 class that we just learned about in the prior example to show you that you cannot access the private data of a class when you're not within that class's scope. So here we're in a different class called MemberAccessTest, and we've got a main method that's attempting to use a Time 1 object called time in our program. And you can see here that we explicitly are trying to access the hour data member of the Time 1 object. And you'll notice here in NetBeans that each of the three lines at lines 9 through 11 has a red squiggly underneath it indicating that there's an error message for that line. And when you hover over such a line in NetBeans, it pops open a tooltip indicating what the error message is. In this case, since I'm hovering over the time.hour line, it says hour has private access in Time 1, meaning because it's private in class Time 1, you're not allowed to access it directly here. If I try to build the program, you'll see that it also reports those error messages in the build output window, and again you can see it says hour has private access in Time 1, and it says the same thing for minute and the same thing for second, along with the line numbers where these problems are occurring. So the key thing in this example is just to prove to you that the compiler enforces this concept of private and enables only the class in which the private members are declared to access that private data. For those of you who might be from a C++ background and recall the concept called friendship, that concept does not exist in the Java programming language. When you have private data, the only class that can ever access that private data is the class in which it was defined.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.